Good morning. My name is Jason Bowman, and today I will be presenting the Fall 2020 catalog for nVoice. As we all know, it is the exceptional wood products for the modern lifestyle. As you can see on my first page, the title page, I decided to use a free-for-use wooden background just to make it look a little more rustic, a little more gritty, to kind of give it that simple look of the products that are going to be shown in this brochure today. Um, as I also decided to use a pen, one of the nVoice pens, because I thought that it definitely started the process of thinking of getting into the my concept of what is being shown and what we are trying to show through this catalog with these pens and all the other things, all the other products that we'll show a little later. Um, I want to talk about for on the first page about the nVoice, the font I decided to use. I decided to use it's called Apple Cherry. It was a way of kind of doing a cursive, a little more extensive than just simply cursive. I asked the founder, Richard Grayson Abner, about what he would like to do for like a kind of logo for the company, and he said that putting the nVoice name in a sort of cursive, a little more expanded than just cursive, is kind of what his idea for the logo is. So we have nVoice, we have the Fall 2020 catalog, and then at the bottom, of course, we have the motto of from the website, which is exceptional wood products for the modern lifestyle, which is exactly what we will be showing today. Going on, we have some of the products that are being shown within the brochure. First off, we have the artesian pens. We have the Paduk, the Ancient Kari, and the Bubinga and Wenge twist cap pen. I decided to use these because I thought it had I thought these three had a definitely had a probably one of the best looks of the pens. Uh, just a little more original. I thought the red of the paddock made it look really made it jump out off the page. I decided to just do a simple white background as I thought that keeping it simple, such as the website, would make the products pop out a little more. To the side, on the left side, as you can see, I also added another free for use wooden background just 'cause I thought it provided a nice little repetition within each of the products pages, as you'll see a little later as I get to more of them. But yeah, so I decided to arrange the pens in a sort of way, the words and the title for each pen is right next to it, so you know exactly which one that you're going for, as well as the price. But overall, I thought it really turned out well, and I think it's a great choice for the pens. And as I go on, as you can see with like the shaving razors, we also have the same the wooden background on the right side this time, and as well as the razors on the page. Now, I thought it is I thought it'd be a good idea to have them arranged in this way as the top, obviously the title of each shaving razor is to the side of it, and also on the bottom. I thought it was a good way to organize them a little better. It's kind of tough with four items and four names. If you get a little more, it could make it seem a little bit more busy, but overall, I think it works really well. Same with the cutting boards. I think everything looks pretty well with the side of the background. I think everything looks really great. Now, a big thing that I really want to highlight from the website on here is the custom orders. Now, as you can see, I have a little pamphlet saying about detaching this page, this specific page, and the next one. Just saying like what your idea is for a custom project, where you live, what your name is, all that stuff, just to make sure that everything is clear and that you know what you want to do. And then I have an About Us page. They're talking about our founder, Richard Abner from nVoice, and talking about his early days as a woodworker and how he's grown in his skills to make higher quality products for a populace. And finally, I just want the last page to kind of redirect the audience to the website. Overall, I'm really happy with how this turned out, and I hope that you choose this product for the brochure. Thank you.